Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you love whenever you see birds, especially a woodpecker in your location? Would you like to give your son an informative book about birds so he will learn all the things about birds like woodpeckers? We have a bird book that both young and old will like. We would like you to know about the remarkable woodpeckers. This is a book which will tell the tale about woodpeckers. Experience woodpeckers as you've never seen them before. Stantic Yellow shines a spotlight on these beautiful and extraordinary winged creatures. This item depicts the lives of woodpeckers through Stan's award-winning photographic talents and with a combination of text which is based on years of personal observations. You must have this book if you love birds, especially woodpeckers. This item is ideal for kids, the library, schools, for collection, for bird enthusiasts, and for bird observers. So what are you waiting for? You can have the remarkable woodpeckers today at a very affordable price and have a great way of having an informative book that you and your kids will surely love. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.